Alright, so much forward. Alright guys, there's my wonderful dog Sunfairy. We're cruising on the trail, hunting fishing spots, and I'm not finding anything that I'm gonna be able to fish at. Just the water's still a little too high. This is pretty much how she does it. She just does her thing. Good girl. A lot of people wonder how we do it. We just do it. Really. And right now it's really quiet. Too thick to go looking. I can't hear the water good. It doesn't sound hollow. But anyway, that's how my baby works right there. She's a good dog. Best one. First one, best one.